Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to show you a cool trick to make all your app icons completely transparent on iOS 26. This gives your home screen a super clean and minimal look, and it only takes a few seconds. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Now, press and hold anywhere on the screen until everything starts to jiggle. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see an edit button. Tap on that. Then tap on Customize from the options that appear. Now, here's the magic. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a list of layout styles. From there, tap on Clear. What this does is remove all visible app icons from your home screen, making them fully transparent. Your apps are still there, they're just hidden. You can still open them using Spotlight Search or by swiping to the app library. Once you're done, just press anywhere or tap Done to save your changes. And that's it. Now you've got a completely clean home screen with no visible icons. It's minimal, modern, and looks awesome. If you liked this trick, make sure to like and subscribe for more iOS 26 tips.